Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National Vice President ka BJP Dr. M. Chuba Ao ubadiru unong kami ekaseng ha kajala Meghalaya ha kasi sadjan ulaong bakaseng kadang lumigi kot kisla ha kabayde bigijing kano bamsap persya ekasorkar MDA haba keren kilat pathay kuwar ulaong bakaseng kalayo pediang gibabun kijing kano bamsap persya ekasorkar MDA henry ki klem paddan ki kot kisla ban pinshisha ya kita kijing kano Henry ulaong baka BJP kalapha ikinong tre kaseng banwa di kikot kisla bat hadian balayo kita na toket jong kasorkar padeng kum ke Enforcement Directorate CBI bat kiwe kinsawan sa Meghalaya ban toket bnya hagaway pat kalyang Chubaaw ulaong baka seng kansaya keren ba president bahalor du jong kaseng UGP nada halor ka jingdon kamban wengno ya ka BJP na kasorkar MDA balayalam do konrad ke sangma Ulaong bahapo shibinay kan sami karay halor ka jingweng no nakani ka sorkar ka paminta.
BJP has been raising uncountable number of allegations of corruption and all of that against the government. But so far we haven't seen any of it, no, like anything happening to it. So what do you say of this?
That is seen because we got a complaint, but unfortunately we didn't get papers, which we have to prove. So we are waiting for it. I think started working now. So as soon as this paper comes, ED will be there, CBI will be there, so much of central agency will be after that.
Are you withdrawing the statement of yours that Anas Mauri is the agent of NPP that has come out in paper?
See, politics is such. Politics is art of speaking. So when the time was there, at that time if things are not happening, automatically anybody can term it. It's not the permanent one. And that maybe in that time it is suitable.
So just adding to your reaction just now that you said that ED will come, CBI and all of that raids was going to happen. So are you saying that NPP is going to be in a lot of pickle in the coming days?
No, that's why we are already sending people to collect the paper, document, evidence. With that evidence they will come, without evidence so nobody will come.
So that means there's been a lot of corruption under this NPP-led MDA government.
That is, we have started working. After receiving the paper, we will come to know it is corrupted or it is simply manipulated in the air.
What don't you see this as a political trick of the BJP?
No, not like that. I mean, दूध की दूध, पानी की पानी. Our system.
I mean, like, but why? I mean, this allegation has been.
Yeah, that is there. See, corruption, BJP, we are zero tolerance. So everybody.
This allegation has been there for quite some time.
But that allegation is there. I also heard from the paper, but we have instructed that find out the documents because simply I cannot make an allegation.
Whom did you instruct to find
Our party workers are there, who are expert. I see in this because it requires expert. Any XYZ cannot do.
So how will the party justify that you all were not hand in gloves with this government because it was an alliance? It's not NPP alone who is taking on the
BJP is also
part of this government.
See, alliance, we all know. Till when election, it is called alliance. After election, everybody their own business they will do.
So you said a significant statement that next government, nobody can form government without the support.
Without BJP.
So, but if there is a government minus BJP, what will be yours?
That is our statement. Complete statement. Next government, without the support of BJP, no government can form.
Can you explain?
That is why we are working it now because let the result come. We cannot tell that this.
So that means you will have postpone alliance with all the parties.
No, see, that is possible alliance, we will work it out. Because see, minimum possible alliance means there is a lots of common minimum program, the developmental work, all these things to be discussed.
So it could be possible with NPP again.
See, NPP possible, not possible, time will speak.
Because NPP is your BJP's natural alliance.
No, we will
Center, Manipur, Arunachal.
No, that is there, but in Meghalaya also we will see because how these people they are running in the cost of us. It's very important. We are not running our government cost of them because they are running in the cost of us. So let us
enough is enough with the NPP.
Let's see. We are also planning. Let us see within 1 month, whether what we will do. We may withdraw. Discussion is going.
You may withdraw support.
we will withdraw support with national president. We will have discussion again.
Then 1 month it will happen.
Within 1 month.
You might and you might not.
Yeah, that we are working in. Because we should have certain strategy why we are withdrawing.
Okay.
And what will be our next strategy to
Thank you, sir.